This Delarlo Deep Sauté Pan with lid is a great addition to any kitchen. It's like a reliable friend who can handle almost any cooking task. This pan boasts a Tri-Ply stainless steel design. This means it has layers of steel and aluminum working together. They ensure fast and even heating, so no more hot spots. The Delarlo Deep Sauté Pan with lid is also quite versatile. You can use it on all kinds of stovetops, even induction. It can also go in the dishwasher, which makes cleaning up a breeze. The glass lid lets you keep an eye on your food without lifting it. This helps to keep the heat and moisture inside. It's a true kitchen workhorse, and it can even handle oven temperatures up to 600. For anyone looking for a dependable, everything pan, the Delarlo Deep Sauté Pan with lid is a solid choice. It offers good durability thanks to its stainless steel construction. While it might not replace all your specialized pots, it will certainly complement your existing cookware. It's a practical pan for everyday cooking, and it could be a thoughtful addition to a wedding registry. Pros: induction ready, dishwasher safe, oven safe, to 600 degrees F, glass lid included, deep sauté pan, versatile, everyday pan, high-sided chef's pan 4QT. Capacity: cons: may stain after use, requires some scrubbing, not non-stick, can be heavy. 5.79 pounds. Glass lid max 300 degrees F. Some find handles uncomfortable, potential for warping, not the cheapest option. Need to avoid empty heating, suggests medium-low heat features. Tri-Ply stainless steel 12-inch everyday pan, glass lid included, deep sauté pan style. Kitchen everything pan, high-side chef's pans, induction cooking pot, dishwasher safe 4QT. Stock pot size, up to 600? Safe. This Delarlo 12-inch pan is made with 3 layers of stainless steel for good heat and is safe to use on all kinds of stoves, even induction. It comes with a glass lid and is shaped like a deep sauté pan, making it useful for many kitchen tasks. It's also a 4-quart size, can handle heat up to 600 degrees, and you can wash it in the dishwasher. This everything pan has high sides like a chef's pan, so it's a versatile pot for everyday cooking. This Delarlo 12-inch Tri-Ply stainless steel pan is a versatile deep sauté pan with a glass lid, suitable for all stovetops including induction, and oven safe up to 600 degrees F. Lid up to 300 degrees F. It has a 4QT capacity and is dishwasher safe, though it may stain and require some scrubbing. Keep in mind it is not non-stick, can be heavy, and some users find the handles uncomfortable. Also, it's not the cheapest option and empty heating should be avoided, with medium-low heat suggested. Plus there's a potential for warping.